It's such an honor and a pleasure to be addressing you today, and I want to warmly welcome you to the third annual Evergreen Trainers Bootcamp.
We are here to see how we can become better trainers and even how we can gain knowledge from the program management team, specifically on insights that can help us drive our work better.
So these are great sessions, and I look forward to understand how best can we continue making this program to be diverse and to be able to serve your needs as well as to serve the needs of the young people.
But as we move on, you're going to learn more. So let us open our minds, let us open our hearts to all the information that we are going to learn today.
As immobilists, we want you to ensure that your career goals and the education goals are not interrupted. Because in the context where you are as a student and a trainer, you have to strike a balance between the two.
Your community champions, you're not just working with these individuals. So there's a huge ripple effect.
As an evergreen, be proactive in community outreach. Being proactive in your community means you can analyze a situation and foresee the outcome, even in 3 or 4 months.
We don't need perfection from you. What our teams on the ground would like to see, and us as a PMO, is to see continuous improvement in your craft.
So you need to be professional, you need to have policies in place, and also you need the safeguarding aspect. And that's what makes you now to be credible trainers.
For you to build that brand, you need a high level of brand consistency and brand strategy. The brand building strategy will be complemented by the consistency.
Kenya's population as of 2022, 80% are under the age of 35. And so as trainers, then it is then your responsibility and your hope that you could be able to provide opportunities, because the businesses out there cannot be able to employ all of these people.
So it is you people to carry your name and to build your brand and to make it a positive thing.
We have opportunities that we have gotten with partners. So for those partners, we are able to do specific calls for application. After we've put the call for application, we do a 1 week or 3 days upskilling specifically for the role. And we even bring those partners in to guide on how to do the application process. And I know we have club members that are doing and earning very good money from our partners.
Beyond the numbers, we are here to understand how our work is affecting and is transforming the lives of young people.
So the role that we have and the mandate is to go back and work hard and do the right thing.
So let's build a culture of excellence, support, and impact. Together, we deliver the Ajira digital promise.
My experience during this bootcamp has been awesome. I've been able to network and learn that I should never give up, and I should use whatever I have to change the lives of other people.
One thing that I have learned from this bootcamp is the SMART goals that I will get now to implement them as I get to plan on my trainings, on my mentorship, and on the weekly and a monthly Ajira Club activities.
My key takeaway from this bootcamp is that I am here because of my club. So if my club fails, I fail.
This bootcamp has been amazing,
fantastic,
and educative.